Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today's video is a what's in my purse. So if you guys want to see what is inside my Coach City Tote, then keep watching. If you have not seen my other what's in my purse videos, those will be linked down below in the description box. I feel like every single time I film one of these videos, I have a little story on how and why I got the bag. This one, I feel like is a little bit of a sad story. I saw this on the Coach outlet website. I ordered it because I fell in love with this bag. I just thought it was so cute for the holidays and winter time. So I had to order it right away. Ordered it. Got an email one day when I was at work saying that the bag sold out and my money was getting refunded, and my little heart broke. Because I am the way that I am, when I see something I want it. So I got to work. I researched and I found her. So this bag is not available. So I will link the Coach City Totes down below in the description box just because they're great bags and you need them. They are under $200 and they are compared to Neverfulls from Louis Vuitton. They are great. I will also link in the description box like what I think you guys would want, but if you have any questions, obviously leave them down below. So if you use my links for any of those products, thank you, because those will be my Amazon links. That's just where I get everything. So this is how I have everything stored in the bag. It's a purse organizer. This I will have linked in the description box. It is from Amazon. It is the best. This does come in different sizes. I think I got the large one just because that one said it's like the Neverfull size, and like I was saying before, this bag is compared to a Neverfull. So first I have my makeup case, and I just have my essentials in here, like tweezers, feminine hygiene products, glasses, wipes, and my EpiPen. You're gonna see I have like a whole entire CVS in here. These are my Ollie Stress Relief gummies. Trust me, if you're stressed, you need them. My Ray-Ban aviators. These I've had for years. They're the best sunglasses. And this was like one of my first big purchases when I used to work at Sweet and Sassy. My Aleve Back and Muscle Relief. My keys, my wallet. I don't know how to show this to you because I feel like no matter what way I show it to you, there's going to be personal information, but I just have like membership cards and my cosmetology license in here. This is like a little first aid kit, and it has the best band-aids in it. It's from this brand Welly. I will link this down below because everyone always asks where it's from. Tums, my AirPods, Midol. This is a hemp's like muscle relief thing, kind of like Bengay, but it rolls on. I love it. Hand sanitizer. Gum. This is my new favorite gum. I used to love 5 Gum, and if you can tell me where I can purchase 5 Gum, please let me know because I cannot find it anywhere ever. Benadryl in case I have an allergic reaction while I'm out. A little mini hemps. I absolutely love this cream, and I'm going to put some on right now because my hands are so dry. It's snowing out and I had to clean my car off when I left work, but hemps body cream is so good. It is my favorite. This is the sensitive skin one. This Palmer's coconut oil lip balm. This is my favorite lip balm. I love the shape of it. It is just perfect for your lips and it lasts forever. And I got this from Five Below, but I will link it for you on Amazon. My blue light blocking glasses. I love these. They are the best. They seriously work if you are looking at a computer screen all day, or if you're looking at like a little like handheld thing like I do at work. You need these. You need them. They're amazing. Also, they're really good for if you are like me. I have astigmatism, and driving when it's dark out is a nightmare. I swear to God, these help. Portable charger, a reusable bag, and I'm going to show you all my lip products because I hoard those in here. A Trust Fund Beauty lip oil. You can't really tell at all on camera, but it's clear with some shimmer in it. 2 of the NYX Filler Instinct. This one is Sugar Pie, and this one is Bitten Pout. Then we have 3 of the new Makeup by Mario lipsticks. These are the Super Satin lipsticks, and I have Bronx Baby, 917, and Dumbo. They are all of the rose tones, because those are the best nudie colors that look good on me. Then we have this Anastasia lipstick. This I got in my advent calendar. I don't remember the shade, but it's a gorgeous red. I obviously haven't cleaned out my bag since Christmas. A NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Salty Cocoa. These are my favorite lip glosses ever. Kaja Juicy Glass Lip Oil in the shade Raspberry Refresher. I have 2 of the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lips. This gold one is the plumping one. This is what the shade looks like. And then this is the other one. I don't know the names because the stickers fell off. The Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm, and this is the mint one. I love this because it smells just like chocolate chip mint ice cream, and that is my favorite ice cream. Last is the ColourPop So Glassy Lip Gloss in the shade Lucid Dreams. I wore this one today, and I don't know why I chose to wear it, but now that I'm thinking of it, it is snowing out, and this is just like icy looking. I don't know, it's really pretty. And that is everything in my Coach City tote. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!